All right, Frank, inside here, your question was the other stuff that they're checking. This is the business deal that's going on. This is where all the magic is happening. Compressor, if you ever hear somebody talking, this is pumping the refrigerant through the system. Very simple. We got refrigerant coming in, being compressed, sending it back in. Also in here, capacitors. These are maintenance related items. About every 5 years, you know, it's not uncommon for these to start to wear. No different than brake pads on your car. You don't get alarmed. It's something we got to do. This is the main control here that receives a signal from the thermostat. Thermostat says we need AC. This closes. That allows power to go to the fan, allows power to go to the compressor. This will wear over time too. Every time that unit turns on, the time it turns off is creating wear. These are wear items. If these parts are being replaced on your system, nothing to be alarmed about. It's not a failure. That's routine maintenance. If they're not replaced periodically, it does create a failure because the system shuts down.
Is there a manufacturer standard on when these should be replaced?
About every 5 years, depending on usage. You know, if it's an upstairs system, heat loads a little more, system's running more often, you might see that. Power blinks on a lot at your home, it might cause a little bit of excessive wear. But these are things, what we're looking for in here. There's oil inside these capacitors. We want to make sure we don't see any oil, rust, corrosion, loose terminals. We're also checking the condition of the wire. Also looking here at tightness of terminals, looking at the contactor, make sure the spring action is free, making sure that the contacts aren't pitted. Because if that weld's shut, even though the thermostat told the system to shut off, this is still running. Power bills are going up. Looking at compressor, like I said, also want to make sure no loose connections. But that's the main thing they're looking for. But we're also going to spend a little time with you. We'll check the charge on this system. We've already looked at the inside. Looks like everything should be good to go.